Mabuhay, everybody out there in the interwebs. I'm going to show you a quick demo of the BigHorn pizza oven. BigHorn pizza oven. Hope this helps. Aloha, everybody out there in the interwebs. My name is Sugar Ray, and I'm going to show you a quick cook from the BigHorn pizza oven for around $200 US on Amazon. So here we go, trying to preheat this. We got about 2.5, 3 scoops of pellets in there. And we're going to go ahead and try to warm it up for about 20 minutes. The goal is to have that bottom pizza stone at 500 degrees, and we're trying to get that dough to be at room temperature. I already got that dough prepped. Here we go, stretching out that dough. It's very pliable, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on the pizza peel, putting in that flour. I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and start making sure it's round, right? Watch those edges to make sure they puff up. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in there and twist it around, turn it every like 30 seconds to a minute. Then I'll go ahead and add the scrambled eggs. Put that bacon in there and put it back in for about a minute, 2 minutes. When I start hearing that bacon sizzle, I take it out. Add the green onion, and voila, breakfast pizza. Here's a quick look at the second cook. That stone is hot now, so look at that crust. It's very, very puffy, right? So because it's the second cook, that stone is actually about 500 plus degrees. And you can tell because look at that crust on the bottom. Again, traditional pizza. Make sure, you're turning it. It's a second cook, so that pizza oven's hot. Turn it every 30 seconds or even sooner, and boom, nice pizza. Hope this helps.